Apple has just introduced a game-changing AI suite that makes your iPhone smarter and more intuitive than ever before. Whether you're typing out messages, snapping photos, or even editing movies, Apple Intelligence is set to transform how you use your device. But the big question is, does your iPhone support it? Stick around as we break down which models will get these revolutionary features and what you can expect from Apple Intelligence. Apple Intelligence is designed to enhance a wide range of iPhones, not just the latest models. Here's a breakdown of which iPhones are supported and can take advantage of these cutting-edge AI-powered tools: iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro. These models will unlock the full potential of Apple Intelligence, making use of the latest hardware and chipsets for real-time processing of advanced AI features. Whether it's creating custom emojis or using the powerful camera control to gather instant information about your surroundings, the iPhone 16 lineup is fully optimized for these features. iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Pro. While slightly older, the iPhone 15 series is fully capable of running most Apple Intelligence features, including writing tools, Siri with generative models, and even the Movie Maker function. Thanks to the A16 Bionic chip, these models can handle advanced AI tasks smoothly. iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Pro. The iPhone 14 lineup supports writing tools, camera control, and a slightly simplified version of private cloud compute. Although it won't run some of the more computationally intensive features like real-time video generation as smoothly as newer models, users will still see major improvements in day-to-day tasks like smarter Siri interactions and enhanced notifications. iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 Pro. Apple Intelligence will bring powerful new tools to the iPhone 13 series, including writing tools and Siri's enhanced understanding. While the AI models running on these devices won't be as fast as newer models, they still benefit from the personalization features and smart notifications. iPhone 12 series and older. For those still using the iPhone 12 or earlier, basic elements of Apple Intelligence, like advanced writing tools and a simplified version of Siri's generative capabilities, will still be available. However, more demanding tasks like Movie Maker and camera control may not run as efficiently due to older hardware. So, is your iPhone ready for the future of AI? Watch the full video as we break down all these incredible features and how they'll supercharge your iPhone experience.